Welcome back friends. Today I am going to telling about how to install Ubuntu. Firstly click on VMware, then open it. Then create a virtual machine. Then select typical. Then click on next. Then click on third option, I will install the operating system later. Then click on next. Then select Linux and drop down the arrow and select Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on next and provide a name. Then click on next. Then store virtual disk as a single file and provide a size. I am providing 30 GB. Then click on next, then finish. Then click on edit virtual machine setting and click on CD, DVD, SATA and choose a ISO image where you put up the ISO image. Then select the Ubuntu image, then open, then OK. Then power on the virtual machine. Here choose the language and click on install Ubuntu. If you try Ubuntu, then click on try Ubuntu. If you install, then click on install. Here I am installing the Ubuntu. Then click on continue. Here you just select the first option, erase disk and install Ubuntu. Then install now. Then select your country. Then continue. Here you choose your keyboard. I am choosing my keyboard English US and click continue. Provide your name. Provide a complex password. And click on encrypt my home folder. Then click on continue. There is no interconnection, but you can click on login later. Now Ubuntu is installing. First step is copying files. After that, installing system devices. It also takes some time to install the devices. Now it runs post installation task. After that, restart your system. Click OK. Here the Ubuntu is installed. Here you can wait or press S. It load the Linux operating system. Provide a password that you provide at the time of creating user. Then enter or click on arrow. Here you have successfully installed the Ubuntu. This is the desktop of Ubuntu. And thanks for watching, and like my videos and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this video. Goodbye.